Good day, class! So, last week, natapos na ni Ma'am Hazel i-discuss yung festivals of Marinduque, Davao, and Bicol. So, ngayon, magproproceed naman tayo sa Philippine Theater or Komedya, Zarzuela, and Vaudeville. First, let us define what is theater. Theater is a collaborative form of fine art that uses live performers to present the experience of a real or imagined event before a live audience in a specific place. So, pinaperform nila ito on stage ng live. Pinapakita din dito sa theater yung mga present or past events and experiences ng mga tao. Sabi din dito, may specific place kung saan dito nila pinaperform itong theater. And may mga live audience din since pinaperform nila ito ng live. Like for example, yung sa mga banda, di ba pinaperform nila ito on stage? So, ganun din dito sa theater. Let us proceed to the komedya. Komedya comes from the 16th century Spanish comedia or play. It is a play written in verse which uses entrance and exit. So, dito sa komedya, is may entrance and exit sila. Meron ding tinatawag na batalya na kung saan may choreographed fighting or pagkakasunod ng steps or movements and also magya or yung magical effects. So, itong theatrical form na ito is dinedescribe niya yung conflicts ng Christians and Muslims. There are two types of komedya, the secular komedya and religious komedya. So, dito muna tayo sa secular komedya. Secular komedya usually performs in town celebrations, so sineselebrate siya sa mga bayan. An example of secular komedya, popularized in 1600, is the Moro-Moro, na kung saan ginagamit rito yung mga stories ng kings, queens, princess, and princesses, animals, and supernatural beings. So, most of the time, pinoportray dito yung clash or yung sagupaan ng Christians and Filipino Muslims, and also the Tibag or Arakyo. So, dito naman, pine-perform ito during Santa Cruzan, and it is reenacted of the search for Holy Cross by Queen Helena and her son Emperor Constantine. So, next, we have the religious komedya. So, mostly performed to enhance religious festivities. So, nakafocus ito sa buhay ng mga religious icons like Jesus Christ, Saint Michael, and other patron saints. So, ang example dito ay Siete Palabras, Comedia de San Miguel, and Cenaculo, the Lenten presentation of Passion of Christ.
Haring sinungaling, bakit di sinunod? Ang inuutos ko at pinagpipiling, magpakatatag ka, lilot palakiyot. Ang iyong hininga, ngayon mananagot. Murang talikandas, tigil ang pamasa. Sa oras na ito magpakatatag ka. Kapag namali ka, lilot palamara. Katapusan ngayon, na iyong hininga.
Next, we have the Zarzuela. Zarzuela is an art form of lyric theater drama, comical in nature, and it is incorporated with singing, dancing, and dialogue. So, kaya siya tinawag na lyric theater drama ay dahil habang pinaperform nila ito, ginagamitan nila ito ng pagkanta, pagsayaw, and also the dialogue or yung palitan nila ng mga salita. Zarzuela is originated from Spain and was made popular in the Philippines in 1800. So, nag-originate ito sa Spain and naging sikat siya dito sa Pilipinas noong 1800. So, pinoportray dito yung mga kaugalian ng Filipino sa realidad, stories, and social relations nila kung saan yung mga manonood ay makaka-relate ng kanilang buhay like eleksyon, feast or kapistahan, marriage, family, vices or yung mga bisyo, and values. So, ang example dito sa Zarzuela is the Walang Sugat. So, Walang Sugat is the most famous Zarzuela in the country.
Silaban ang tunay mong pangalan.
Tuwing nababanggit mo ang kurang sukapan, nagigising ang galit at di mapigilan.
Hindi maghahandog sa lahi ni Satan. Ang panyong iyan ay talagang sa'yo, sampu na nagpura.
Salamat, salamat, huli ang buhay ko.
Ay dali mong magtampoy, ko. Pero ko'y paglalambing, di mo dapat damdamin.
Nabatid ko na kaya't ako'y maligaya. Nais ko na maging aking habang buhay. Habang buhay ko, ako'y iyong iyo.
Di na magbibiro,
Di na magtatampo habang buhay ko, pag-ibig ay di maglilino. Iyan ang sumba ko sa'yo, ihog, habang buhay. Iyan ang sumba ko sa'yo, ihog, habang buhay.
Lastly is the vaudeville. Is another stage that show become popular during the Japanese period based on the French vaudeville. So, na-develop itong vaudeville dahil sa mga city growers na gustong i-uplift yung emotional stability nila. Fini-feature dito yung mga comedy, musical monologues, skits, impersonators, acrobats, and even magical acts. So, binubuo rin itong vaudeville ng mga musical trends and musicians, performers, and performance genre. So, makikita nyo dito sa slides yung mga vaudeville stars na si Bayani Casimero, Delay Atay-Atayan, Togo and Pugo, Chichay, Rogelia de la Rosa, Dolphy, and alam ko namang familiar kayo kay Dolphy. Next is Leopoldo Salcedo and Cathy de la Cruz. So, yan lahat yung mga vaudeville stars. That is all about the Philippine theater or the Comedia, Zarzuela, and vaudeville. So, thank you for listening, class. Let's call it a day. Goodbye.